So let's now solve the question that involves binomial expansion, which says so we have find the fourth term in the binomial expansion, so you just have to expand it, or find the seventh term of this expansion. But this one can just use the formulas, general formula, because they have already given you the R. Find the seventh term, find the fourth term, so these are simple. Then we can go to maybe this one, expand. When you just say expand, maybe up to third term or fourth term. So we are expanding this up to 60 term according to the power it has. So when you just say expand, maybe they specify up to third term, then you have to use the formula. So if you check this question, it's saying expand, then we have x plus 1 over x everything to the power 6. So the condition we said when n is greater than equal to 0, meaning when n is positive and is positive. And here the first term does not start with 1, so you have to use the other binomial expansion, the first one expansion we said. So this is equal to, you start with n combined 0, then we say a to the power n, again plus, then n combined 1, then a n minus 1, then b, plus, then n combined 2, then I'm going to have a n minus 2, then b squared, plus, then dash 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 dash, then plus, we can now have the last term n combined n, then we just write b to the power n. We're not going to write many terms in this case. We will just expand it maybe up to third or fifth term. So in this case now we'll now say our a, so we can now write this part. So this is equal to n is what, 6. So 6 combined 0, then our n it's x to the power, our a it's x, this is a, then this part is b, including the sign it has. So x to the power 6 plus, okay, so this equals to 6 combined 0, then we have x to the power 6 plus, then n combined 1, 6 combined 1, then our a it's x, then n minus 1, which is 6 minus 1, is the power 5. So n will be raised to the power 5, then multiplied by b. Our b it's 1 over x. Then plus, we're going now to have 6 combined 2. So 6 combined 2 will be now a. Our a is x to the power n minus 2, which is 6 minus 2 is 4. Then our b will be squared. Multiply this by 1 over x. Everything should be squared. Plus, then we go to the next one, which is n combined. Since this is n combined 2, n combined 3, or 6 combined 3. Then our a will be x to the power, since it was n minus 2, the following term will be n minus 3, which is 6 minus 3, it's 3. Then our b will be raised to the power 3 again. So 1 over x to the power 3. Plus, again, 6 combined 4, we'll just expand it up to the last term, 6th term. Then our a will be minus 4, so it will be x to the power n minus, since it was n minus 3, then will be n minus 4. It will be what? It will be 2 here now. So the value of x is decreasing, but the value of y, the power of y is increasing. The power of x, the first term, the power of a increases by 1, but the power of b decreases by 1. So we have x to the power 2, then our b will be the power, because it's raising it was to the power 3 to be to the power 4, 1 over x to the power 4, plus again here n, which is 6, combine here it's 6 combined 4 to be 6 combined 5. Then we're going to have our x will be x to the power, then minus 5, so to just be with the x, then multiply by 1 over x, which is b to the power 5, plus, which is the last term now, to the power 6. 6 combined 6, here it was 6 combined 5, 6 combined 6, which is the last term, n combined n, then just b, because this one will be raised to the power 0. So now to just be with what? B, that's the last term, which is 1 over x to the power 6. So this can now be expanded by, what is n combined 0? N combined 0, if you do it on a calculator, or you do it the way we were doing it. It's just 1, so just manually putting x to the power 6 plus, then if we do n combine 1, so n combine 1 you can do it the way which is 6 factorial over 6 minus 1 factorial, then 1 factorial, but I'll do it on a calculator to reduce the time. So I'll just say 6 combine 1, so I'll just write 6 combine 1. Okay, so 6, where are you? 6, okay, 6 combine 1, we're going to have 6. So here we're going to have so this part here it's 6, then x to the power, then if this is x to the power 5, this is x to the power 1, this will cancel with that, we just mean with x to the power 4, because this will cancel with 1x from there. Then plus we come here, 6 combine 2, 6, then combine 2, it's giving us 30. So this combine that, it's 30. Then this is x to the power 4, so x to the power 4 multiplied by this 2 is for this 2, 1 over this x will be x to the power 2. So 2x will cancel from here, we just mean with x to the power 2. So just now write this as 30, then x to the power 2. Then we come to the next one, this part here, 6 combine 3, 6 combine 3, so 6 combine 3, we're going to have 120, so to plus 120, that is this. Then this is x to the power 3, x to the power 3 times this is 1 over x to the power 3, because it has the power 3, and so this and that will cancel, just mean with 1, so that will be independent. So this is the term that is independent of x, so to be plus. Then we come to the other one now, 6 combine 4, so 6 combine 6, then combine 6 combine 4, we're going to have 360. So to just say, I'll write it from here, plus 360. Then let's check now for the x, how they're going to cancel. This is x squared times this is 1 over then x to the power 4, so this will cancel with that, we remain with x to the power 2 down. So I'm going to just remain with over x to the power 2, because 1 times this 360. Then plus, we come to the other one, 6 combine 5, 6 combine 5, we're going to have 720. Then here it's x multiplied by 1 over x to the power 5 there, so we'll cancel that and we'll cancel 1, so it will be over x to the power 4 in this case. Then plus the last term, n combine n, it's 1, 6 combine 6, it's just 1, so we have 6 combine 6, it's just 1, so we are going just to have 1 here, this is 1, but we also have 1 over x to the power 6. So that's the expansion. So we can now say says this is now equal to x to the power 6 plus 6x to the power 4 plus 30x squared plus 120 plus then 360 over x squared plus 720 over x to the power 4 plus the last term is 1 over x to the power 6. So this is the expansion. So that's how you expand using the binomial theorem.